Hi everyone, Amy here, and I have an order here from Scrapbook.com, so I'm going to do a little haul video with you. I haven't ordered Crafty goodies in a while. I've been good, but that streak has ended. So I got a lot of stuff here in this order. Get all this out, and I'm going to show you what I got. So this is perfect timing with this foam tape because I literally just ran out this morning. So rather serendipitous, but this is, here's some plastic crinkling for you. This is foam adhesive. It is 1 inch, I believe. Yeah, 1 inch foam adhesive. But I also got the 1/4 inch because this will be good for like shakers. I don't do them often, but you know, you can obviously cut this as well to a smaller strip, but it was on like mega sale. I think it was like half off or something, so I just went for it and got it. So I have some foam adhesive, very sticky, good stuff. It's an alternative if you don't want to get the 3M stuff. Okay, I got a bag here. Lots of goodies. Let's pull this stuff out. Okay. So, this, I'm a little late to the game. I collect all the Distress Oxides, and I do not have this new color yet. In fact, I was a little bit shocked when I realized the color came out, and I didn't even see, like, the announcement. I normally see the announcement, and you don't have to jump on it right away. So, I'm a little behind on the game, but what I do is get the Oxide and the re-inker, and then I get the Distress Ink re-inker, so I can use it for a liquid watercolor, or so I can refill the mini ink pad, because like my Catherine Poolers, I collect just the minis of the Distress inks. So full side Oxide, obviously, because that's all you can get, but I get the mini Distress inks. So I have to wait until he puts out the next little 4-pack of the newest colors and whatnot. So this is what I get when I order the Distress line. Okay. Oh, this is a little freebie that came with my order. Feel Better. So it has like an outline shadow as well as the cutout. So these will be separate letters, which isn't my favorite, but it's still cool. It's a decent size. Give you some perspective here on an A2 size. So it'll be a nice sentiment. And I just like that it says Feel Better because I don't always say get well. It's just not something I usually say. So Feel Better is kind of a cool sentiment, and can't argue with free. I mean, I love Scrapbook and all their freebies. Okay, this is another dog sympathy set. I have my well-used and well-loved dog sympathy stamp set from Scrapbook. It's like a 4x6, I think. But I just wanted to add to it. I've wanted this for a while. I think it was out of stock, but it's got some really cute, heartfelt sentiments. So this will be a nice addition to have with my other dog sympathy. So our best friends leave paw prints on our hearts, gone from your lap, but never your heart. Oh, so sad. Anyway, okay, this is the Hello Baby. So this is some little sentiments. So happy to shower you and your baby with love today. So that's cool for a baby shower because I don't think I have anything specifically baby shower. Babies are a blessing. Today is just the beginning of many years full of love, joy, and wonder. They grow up so fast, savor every moment. Isn't that the truth? As my daughter is now in junior high. Not a fan. I mean, she's doing great. Junior high is great, but I'm just not a fan of how quickly it's going. So I'm sure all of you guys already know this, but warmest wishes for you and your new little bundle. So these are cute little sentiments for the front or inside of a baby card. I didn't have fall stuff, so I'm going to be making fall cards, lots of fall stencils, that kind of thing. And I didn't have a lot of sentiments, so this Catherine Pooler set is really cool. I wanted one specifically that said, Happy Fall, y'all. And I love this Hello Autumn, Warm Harvest Blessings, Be Thankful Always, Feeling Grateful, Happy Thanksgiving with a Grateful Heart. So I just thought these were really nice size, substantial sentiments. So this was something that was lacking. I can't say there's many things I'm lacking in my Crafty stash. I mean, let's be real, I have an absurd amount, but baby stuff and fall stuff I legitimately didn't have a lot of. So there is that. Oh, this Merry Christmas die. This is cool. See, this is what I like. You can see the tittle is connected and these words are connected. So it's going to stay all in one piece and not be a hassle. So I'm not going to have to line it back up and chase around a tittle. It's going to be all connected. So that's my favorite. Again, this for size. So it'll be decent. So I'm seeing lots of ink blending, stenciling, easy Christmas cards with this cool die cut. Maybe cut it out in some, I don't know, glitter cardstock or something snazzy, what have you. Okay. Ooh, this one. This is cool. Celebrate expressions. Again, I was thinking in terms of things that I don't really have a lot of. I don't have Halloween stamps really, so you got Happy Halloween. There's all these little sub-sentiments. Anniversary. I don't have a lot with anniversary. I definitely didn't have something scripty like this. But it's got everything. So I don't really do St. Patrick's Day. Oh, I don't have much Easter. I do make those sometimes. So being on a design team, a lot of times I'm blessed with, you know, products for different seasons or holidays that I maybe might not have made cards for otherwise. So something like this is really helpful to have sentiments that I can use on those types of cards that I might not, you know, mass produce. Oh, graduation. So lots of good stuff in here. Thanksgiving, Mother's, Father's Day. So lots of variation, mix and match. And this is like a, you know, 6x8. So it's substantial in size. So excited about that. All right. Another freebie here. Stickers. Don't really use these often on my cards, but I do have, you know, my crazy craft emporium. That's what I call my craft room. And stuff like this comes in handy for various different little crafts and whatnot, or needs or ideas that my daughter comes up with. So I'm not going to turn this down. Really nice. Little stickers, lots of letters. Again, that was a freebie. And then last but not least, yay! Another altenew 3D embossing folder. You guys know I can't get enough. And they keep releasing new ones. So I'm going to keep buying them. I mean, let's just be real. It's going to happen. But this is called Geo Triangles. These I love, 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 love. Just as a plain white background. Or these make great masculine or gender neutral cards, which I know a lot of people struggle with. But honestly, when you have something cool like this, that's just textured and geometric, it makes it super easy. You can, you know, put some splatter on it or do it with pattern paper or some ink blending or leave it white and just do like a cool die cut of pattern paper. So many possibilities, and it's always, always, always impressive with 3D embossing like this. So I just can't get enough. You guys know I love these things. So that is my stash. That's my haul today. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, you know what to do. Please hit the thumbs up, and I will check you next time. Thanks.